Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Discord on desktop, because this is the only reliable place to disable noise suppression. Click the gear icon next to your name to open user settings, then choose voice and video in the left column. Once done, make sure your input device is chosen correctly so changes apply to the right microphone. This begins the change immediately. You're not toggling system audio. You're adjusting Discord's processing chain, so external filters will work as expected. Now scroll to the Advanced section and locate noise suppression and any other automatic filters like echo cancellation or automatic gain control. Turn those toggles off. Once disabled, Discord stops applying real-time suppression to your mic. Make sure input mode is set to voice activity or push-to-talk, depending on how you want to transmit audio. Once changed, test in a voice channel, because turning these off hands control back to your mic or external software, which preserves natural sound and avoids double processing. Finally, verify your voice by using the mic test or joining a private channel and speaking naturally. You should hear more ambient detail. If unwanted noise remains, check system settings and other apps like OBS, RTX Voice, or microphone drivers. They can reintroduce suppression. If changes don't take effect, restart Discord and reselect the input device to force the new configuration. One key tip: if nothing helps, temporarily disable other audio processing apps, because they often conflict with Discord's audio pipe.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.